Meg, is this a bad idea?
Yes.
Too late. Oh my gosh. So it's currently 10:30 in the evening and I had like 3 to 6 glasses of wine and I decided to cut my bangs now. Both my sisters said it's not a good idea, but YOLO. So the bangs I'm gonna cut tonight, it's gonna be like curtain bangs-ish. I've been on TikTok for the past few months and I've seen girls on TikTok with curtain bangs and I decided I want to have that curtain bangs. I cut my sister's bangs last night and it turned out better than expected. What do you say, Meg?
Agreed.
Okay, she said her bangs turned out better than expected, so I want to cut my own bangs. I don't know if this is a good idea. I don't know if I'm gonna regret this tomorrow morning, but I really want bangs. I know I had some bad experiences with bangs in the past, but at this point, I don't really care anymore. I had a pixie cut like 2 years ago and it took me like 2 years to grow out. So at this point, I just want a new haircut. I've been growing this hair out for like the past 2 years, so I'm very bored of it. So let's see. I'm gonna probably mess this up, but hopefully it turns out well. So I watched a hair cutting tutorial that my sister sent me like a few days ago that I did on her hair. I'm gonna try it out right now. So usually when you cut your bangs, you form like a sort of triangle in the front. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know what kind of bangs I'm going for. Usually you go for like, I lost my train of thought, but usually you go for like really heavy bangs, but I don't really want that. I want really super light bangs and like bangs that you can hide. So I'm gonna be going for a more shallower triangle right here. Is that an okay triangle? Meg, is this a bad idea?
Yes.
Too late. Is this super thick?
Yeah.
Too late. I already partitioned it this way. Okay, now that I'm looking at this in the monitor, I think it's too deep. I'm gonna make it a bit more shallow. Oh no, that's bad. I think that's okay. I think this one's okay right now. So now that I've pinned it, I'm gonna wet it a bit so I can blow dry it just so that it looks decent when I cut it. So now that it's thoroughly damp, I'm going to blow dry it a bit. I'm honestly at this point, I'm just following Best Dress's 3 AM bangs tutorial. So I think that's dry enough. I think I need to start cutting now. So the tutorial I'm following says that you need to cut the shortest length around like lip area. So I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna do something like this, and you're supposed not to pull it because it just springs up and usually makes it shorter than you want it to be. And you're also supposed not look down because I don't know, it makes it weirder. So I'm just gonna do this first. I can't really see it that much, but oh my gosh. So I'm back. In the middle of cutting my bangs, my memory suddenly gave out and I had to spend like the past 20 minutes deleting some clips from my memory card. So look, I started and now I'm gonna finish what I started. So I'm gonna cut here. Oh my gosh, that looks like a barcode. I remember when I cut my bangs in the past, someone told me it looked like a barcode and I don't want to relive that again. This is how much I actually cut. It's actually quite a lot, but I'm gonna put it in the trash can just so that we clean as we go. So right now this is how it looks. I'm gonna try to make it look better. So now I'm gonna be dividing it in the middle and sort of thinning it out as we go. I'm gonna be making the shortest layer around like below my eyes, and hopefully it goes well. I don't know if this looks good. I think it's a bit long, but it kind of looks good right now. Not gonna lie. I think that looks decent. I don't know, does it look like curtain bangs? It looks like curtain bangs. I think I just need to style it a bit, but oh my gosh, the mess. There's so much hair everywhere, but I think that looks decent. I think I'm gonna get my straightening iron and style it a bit so we can see if it looks decent. So I got a straightening iron and I'm gonna try to style it a bit. I'm just gonna be trying to straighten it away from my face, as you can see. Oh my gosh! I think it looks good! Oh my gosh, it looks decent! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I didn't expect this to go this well. But I'm happy that it did. Oh my gosh, it looks so... I don't wanna brag, but I think it looks good. Like, who is she? Like, it looks like curtain bangs. Oh my gosh. I can't get over how good this looks, but sis, oh my gosh. Look how good this looks. I am happy with this, so let me know what you guys think, and I'm probably gonna sleep and let's see if I regret this tomorrow. But so far, I think it looks good. Like, it looks like curtain bangs. It's subtle but cute. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over how good it looks. Like, this is the curtain bangs that I always wanted. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye guys. So,